How to create Instagram highlight without a name. Now, if you want to create an Instagram highlight without a name, so let's say if I tap on the new button, I just select some photos and videos to add to my highlight, and then I tap the next option under this highlight name if I don't write anything, and then if I tap the done button, you can see as soon as I tap on the done button, you can see I've successfully created the highlight, but it will show highlights. But I want it to not be available anything. So what I'll do is I'll just long press and I'll go to edit highlight again. And here under this highlight name, I'll just clear everything. Now I'll simply open my browser and type in invisible text copy. And once you search that, you can see various websites on the list. Just choose any one that you prefer. And here you can see this option called copy. So just copy an empty text. Once done, now just come here and simply paste it. So we've pasted a character, but it is invisible character. So now if we tap on the done button and save the changes, we can see we've added the highlight, but it actually doesn't have a name at all. So it's completely invisible. So this way you can copy an invisible character, paste it to your Instagram highlight name. It will appear like as if there isn't anything. This is the way you create a highlight without a name. And if this video helped you, and I'm sure it 100% did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.